over to shapes, select the square, and resize it 20 by 30. This is the size of the foam board. And I'm just resizing the sweater just a bit, and then I'm going to click wheel to make it one shape. Then I'm going to go over to duplicate, and I'm going to select contour, and then click hide all contours so we get the middle piece of the sweater. And I'm going to go back over to contour and select the piece in the middle because we don't need it anymore. And now I'm going to duplicate this part 2 times. And for this part, you have to go back to contour so we can get rid of the other shapes that we don't need. Then we're going to go over to shapes, select the square and resize it. Then I'm going to drag the square over one of the shapes and then click slice. So I'm slicing these just because there's a huge space in between both shapes. So as you can see for this one, it says 17 by 4. We want to get rid of that space, so we do that by slicing. Then you're going to go back over to shapes, resize this by 11.5 because that's what Cricut recommends, and we're going to select both shapes and slice it. And now I'm resizing the welcome sign and the pumpkins so it can fit on the sweater. And I'm using the black rectangle and the gray rectangle as a reference. Since I ended up resizing the sweater on top of the gray and black rectangle, I had to go back in and slice the top part of the sweater just because it won't fit on a 12 by 12 mat.